Good morning, everyone. Ellen here on our very cold Monday morning. Now, I know we've been talking so much about the Infinity 28, which has been amazing, but I want to remind you all, we are in fact a full service quilt shop. Full service. That means we have fabric. So yes, we are super excited about the new machine, but we are also very excited about fabric that came in, and we just got in this cute as can be thing. All right, those that have seen my particular fabric videos before, what is my favorite fabric ever? What is it? I'll give you a hint. There's some behind me. I get so excited when it comes in. Oh, it is pearl bracelets. Pearl bracelets. It's just my favorite. Now, what's super cool is we have in this new sweet as can be little Valentine kit called Funny Valentine, and it's in this cute little collector bin. So it has all these like little goodies that come with it. All right. So the pattern that it makes are these sweet little wall hanging of these little Valentine envelopes, and there's, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Yeah, there is 14, so you could make it like a countdown, right? So the bin has a pattern. It has the fat 8s for the pattern itself, and then it's got a bunch of fun stuff. So we've got like a little mini charm pack, which I don't think you actually use, but you might. It has this cute little zipper pull, which is an envelope. It has snaps, which we think means you could actually close the envelopes in the pattern. Cute little sticker. Cute little binding bear with this sweet, sweet little binding. Now, I think this is really more of a ribbon that you put on one of the envelopes than binding, but you could wrap binding around it. It has a little notebook about the designer, Lizzie House. Very cool information. And then it has this little stationery set with the cutest can be stickers, so you could make little notes to put in the envelopes. I mean, it's just adorable. Now, only caveat with it, right, is it has all of this fun stuff for the pattern. It has the prints to make the pattern, but it does not have the background fabric in it. Right? So the idea for like the envelopes, those are the cute little prints, but as you can imagine, you're going to need red and white to go along with this kind of kit, right? So we have created a finishing kit because we do in fact have all the other fabrics. We have the little white hearts. We have the red hearts. We have the stripe for the binding. And then we have this cute as can be, the backing, right? So cute. Now, as you can kind of see, some people have been loving on this backing, so there's not many of the actual finishing kits left. And we have, I believe, maybe 4 or 5 of the kit itself. So if this is something that you also just think is a darling, darling kit, go ahead and purchase it. You might not get it done in time, but you know, that's okay. It could always just be for celebration and just a happy little project. All right, guys, we have a ton more fabric. It is January. I will let you know there is a huge amount of fabric that is supposed to arrive in the shop this month. We are building up for shop hop. We are building up for shows. We are getting this shop filled again. All right, guys, please come in and see, shop online, and from, let's see, the quilt shop door too. Happy quilting. Bye.